welcome back. I'm here to show you another cooking video like I promised in the last video. We're going to be cooking chicken with rice and grilled sweet peppers and grilled asparagus. So everything's going to go on the grill except for the rice. But I hope you enjoy this video and stay tuned to the end. All the seasonings that can go with the meat and the rice. We'll deal with that later. Now we're moving on to the carrots. Now for these carrots, these are going to go onto the grill. So I'm going to cut these. Now that these are done, we're going to go ahead and just, line these up by the asparagus. And we're going to work on the onion. Now we're going to dice the onions. Now this side you can just go crazy. If you want bigger pieces, so one on top of your chicken, that's a separate side, okay? Now I'm gonna dice the sweet peppers. Oh yeah. And these are gonna go on the grill, so I'm gonna cut them kind of big. So get that nice little line going across. These don't have very many seeds, so whatever you see that's still in there, you just scrape them out. Some to the side. If you like to keep them and grow them, you can do that too. Now that we have the sweet peppers cut, I'm going to gather these up because all of this stuff's going to go on the grill except for the onions. The onions are going to stay. Okay, I like to keep everything in its group. Okay, and we're moving on to the next thing. Now I'm gonna have my wife saute the mushrooms and the other diced carrots.
Now that our burner is set to medium and our oil is hot and ready, now we're gonna put our vegetables in the pan. Ooh.
So far my wife added lemon pepper. She's adding the garlic right now. And then she just asked for the pepper, so I brought her the pepper. And I'm pretty sure all of y'all that are watching like the sound of pepper being grounded up into the pan.
Like fresh ground pepper. And we're just going to keep stirring because we don't want it to get burned. But we're going to get it to where it's in a nice sauteed form. Not too soft, we're just kind of. Okay. So our onions are already caramelized. And I think this is about done.
All right, now that my wife has got the seasoning, we're gonna make a little mixture. So we're gonna put the lemon pepper in there, and it don't have to be a measured amount. You can put as much as you want. All right, that's enough right there. Okay, and then we use the garlic. That's enough right there. And if you want to put your own measurements, you can, but this right here, we're just gonna rub this on the chicken after it's done. That's the onion powder, that's enough right there. And then that, yeah, paprika. Is that paprika? Oh, chicken seasoning, okay. We'll go get the paprika here in a little bit. We're gonna add some chicken seasoning, so we're gonna add a good amount of that. Now that we got a good tablespoon of that chicken seasoning mixed into our mixture, we're going to get the paprika and add that. Now that we got the paprika, we're going to add a good amount of that in there. All right, that's enough. All right, and then we're off to the next thing. Stepping over to the meat. Oh yeah, I'm going to take this to the cutting board. Set that to the side. Whenever you're dealing with meat, after you touch it, you have to wash your hands so you won't cross-contaminate or get blood all in your fingers. It's not safe to have that transfer everywhere. So, all right. Our copper chef, you can get this at your local store, and this cuts right through the meat with ease. We are preheating our grill after turning it on. Set it to manual mode. We click this 2 times to get it to yellow. So we're waiting for it to heat up to yellow. After setting your manual temperature, you go ahead and press OK. Okay. Well, it alarmed out to give you an indication on, you know, the preheat process is done. Too bad y'all didn't get to hear it, but it's on. Okay, now we have our vegetables. And so we get our extra virgin olive oil, and we just pour that on our vegetables. Get them nice and mixed on all of these, so we can get a nice little glaze there. Okay, now that that process is done, we can go ahead and place these on our grill. And yes, these will slide, but we have these little tabs right here that will keep it from sliding off the grill. Thank you, T-fal, for doing that for us. We're going to do the carrots and the sweet peppers first. Put our sweet peppers way over here. We can get those nice little grill marks on there. And be careful, this thing is very hot. You will burn yourself if you're not too careful. Okay, and now we close it. Okay, we'll take a good look at these real quick. The grill marks are not there yet, so we'll give it a little bit more time. If you're grilling your sweet peppers, you're gonna really smell that, and it smells amazing right now. So as we continue to watch this, we'll take one more good look. Starting to get those grill marks, so give it another 3 minutes. Now that you have your grill marks and they're ready, just take and put it back in the same bowl. Grab all the carrots first. so they can be all together. And then grab the sweet peppers and lay them to the side. After you do that, you have to preheat your grill again. So you go back to manual mode. Set your temperature. We're gonna do orange again, so it's gonna be medium. Now that your grill is already preheated, get your asparagus and just, whoo, yeah, that grease is, like I said, if you're not too careful, you have to, be careful. Alright, now we're gonna get the tongs and kind of spread this out, and then we'll go ahead and close it. And these are done. Got your grill lines, get your tongs. Make sure you kind of, put them in their groups. Slide that one down here. Okay. Hey guys and hey gals, you remember that seasoning that we put together? Well, you're just gonna put your lid on it. Most of y'all already know this. You get it? Shake it up real good. And then we're gonna transfer. Okay, now that we got our plate, I'm gonna shake a little bit of seasoning onto the plate. Okay. Now you get your meat. Coat it real nice. And you continue on with the rest of them the same way. And if you need more seasoning, just pour more on your plate with your other hand that you haven't touched the meat with. And coat it. Now that my wife is getting ready to set up the process of the preheating of the chicken. So yeah. Press OK. And now we wait for that to chirp out on us, or shall I say alarm. Give us the indication that it's ready. Now that we got these seasoned, they'll be ready to go onto the grill. Let's preheat it. And then while I'm done, we can go ahead and put the meat on there. Like that nice little sizzle sound.
So this is one of our sides that we're going to be cooking to go with our meal. Chicken flavored broccoli rice. We got our pot here of water that's already boiled. We just gotta add this on, let it start to boil, and then we're gonna let it simmer. It should be done in about 7 minutes.
And this is our 4 cups of water. So just in case you were wondering how many cups that we put in here, it's 4 cups.
Yeah.
Chicken is still cooking right now. I know the camera angle, or shall I say the camera lighting is probably not showing the exact color, but right now it's in between yellow and green. So we're waiting for it to get to either rare or medium. So the mushroom and carrots that my wife sauteed is gonna go into this after it's done. Now that this is at orange, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Look at that beautiful color to our chicken. It's nice and juicy too. Oh my goodness. We're transferring these to our bowls. And the rest of these will go to our meal prep containers, because we're not going to eat all of this. We started on our meal prep containers for the extra. We have the onions that we're going to place on top of the chicken. And the rice is completed as far as the meat. Everything's prepared and ready to go. And so all we have to do is just put it in these bowls. And this is the finished product, y'all. So we got everything together. And this is the finished product, y'all. So we got everything together. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a thumbs up and also like and subscribe and hit that bell notification for more videos. No, I'm serious. Subscribe. Leave comments, I can comment back to you. And also, till next time, see y'all later. Peace.